welcome to my channel. It's Frugalista here, and I have an unboxing for you. It is another personal stylist service. This one is brand new to me. I've never heard of it. Well, I think I heard of it a couple times, like in on Instagram ad or maybe in my Facebook. And I'm like, oh, okay. And then they reached out to me and they offered to send me a box to share with you guys. So I'm like, okay. And it's called Dailylook, and it is personal styling to your door where you try on your pieces in the comfort of your own home, hang out with them for a couple days, and then decide what to keep, what to send back. And there is a styling fee, and then if you buy something, that styling fee is waived. There is a referral program, and I have a discount code. So please, if you're interested, click below, and there will be a code for you to enter. So let me explain Dailylook. It's a little bit, they have name brands that we're familiar with from like department stores and fashion lines. So I look at it as a kind of like maybe a little bit of a top tier. I know that it's like, wait, what? Another one? But here's the thing, you guys. Not every service is great for everybody. And I feel like some people have had burnout from other brands in the past. And so maybe this is a great way to just be like, I want to branch out. I want to see what's out there and give this a try. And it's sometimes fun to get a new perspective. You never know what you're going to get sent. You do have the option of previewing your pieces, and you get up to 12 pieces curated for you. And then you can see what you're getting, and you get your box and then go from there. And you guys, now my box is probably different than a regular customer's box, just because as for my channel, they said, oh, we're going to send you an assortment of things, and this may be different than what the regular customer gets. So I don't know what I'm getting. Like, I filled out a style profile, so they know my preferences, they know my size, but I have no idea what's in my box, so I'm really excited. This is like Christmas. And of course, shipping is free both ways. You don't pay for getting your box shipped to you, and you don't pay for shipping anything back. Yeah, so, yeah, this is fun. I don't know what's more exciting, knowing what I'm getting and being like prepared and like going, okay, yeah, this is gonna fit me, or just like not knowing at all. Maybe not knowing at all. Oh my God, this is so cute. Look at this. Oh, it's beautiful. I'm happy already. Okay. Oh my God. I already see the first thing. Oh my God. You have 5 days to purchase or return. UPS. Okay, let's see what Jen says. That's my stylist. Hi, Rebecca. I started off with some fun pieces that will be your favorite go-to staples this season. The bomber jacket. This is what's like on top. I can already see like this vegan bomber jacket, and I'm kind of freaking out. Helps pull so many looks together. Style it with the J brand jeans and a t-shirt with booties, or with a cami and the black skinny jeans with heels for a night out. Add it to leggings for a sporty athleisure look. How have I never done that before? The black skinny jeans have a high waist and a nice stretch. The J brand jeans have a more relaxed boyfriend fit. The taupe Julie Dolman taupe. You guys know I love a taupe eyeshadow. Can be worn straight across or pulled down off the shoulder. Flash dance. Try this with the boyfriend jeans, ankle boot. Great. Don't. Oh my God. Oh my God. Plaid. Okay, there's plaid in here. Faux leather jacket. You guys, there's a jumpsuit in here. Oh my God. This is BB Dakota. I've seen this at like Nordstrom Rack. You guys, I don't know if you know my obsession with moto jackets. These motorcycle moto jackets. I have a beige one, a brown one. I have a black one. I don't have one though with studs on it, and this black, this is so cute. You guys, I don't know how much anything costs. So let's look for the BB Dakota jacket. Is $68. Okay, cannot wait. All right, guys. I'm gonna look so tough. Cute. Olivia Gray. Oh, this is the bomber jacket. It's got like nylon. Oh, this is so cute. Even has a little sleeve pocket. Oh my God. I love pockets. You guys know this. You guys know this? Okay, this is really cute. Size small. This one's $118. Interesting. Interesting. Oh, I get it. Okay, so this is, look at this, you guys. It's like a mushroom toe. It feels like merino wool. Corey, and it's an extra small / small. And it's the Dolman like batwing shirt. I love this. Tote for $88. Okay. Oh, it says Julie. Oh, okay. I don't know what that means. Heather taupe. Yeah, it's this. This is the one. Okay, so this is $88. This feels like definitely something you would get at Nordstrom. It has that like wool type feel to it. It's not sweatshirt or t-shirt or anything like that. It's, but it's really, I like it. I've seen this brand before. This is the jumpsuit. Oh, you guys, look at this. Look at this. I don't know if you can tell on camera. It's like gray with, oh, it's got like a blue undertone to it. It's really nice. It has pockets. It's a size medium. I'm wondering if it runs small. Maybe just the fact that my torso is so long. It's wide. It's got a wide leg to it. It's kind of a knit. Yep. And this is sleeveless jumpsuit, $88. Well, that I would expect. Yep. Okay. Okay, you guys, the palette in here, they're like all, it's my neutrals. It's like they knew. Okay. Yeah. This is called Natural Life Clothing. Oh, so this is kind of like a fleece sweatshirt material. It's another Dolman top. I'm telling you guys, this is delicious. Okay, size S. $75. Okay. Okay, and then here is that brand again, Corey, and it's a plaid. Oh, I don't have this kind of color scheme. That is cute. That is cute. It's, you know, your plaid blouse. I am like a sucker for a plaid shirt. Classic plaid button-up, $78. Okay. Okay, what are these? These are the J brand jeans. So these are the mid-rise boyfriend, and they're only $29. I didn't know you could get J brand jeans for $29. I thought they were more. Okay, these are cute. These are soft. These look lived in. Cannot wait. Size 27. I think they'll fit. And then these are the Just Black. Oh, you guys, I've had Just Black brand before, and they are phenomenal. They fit so amazing. These look like they're gonna fit me like a glove. They're 118. Yeah, they're a high waist, but they stretch. Okay, I'm gonna try on a few outfits. I'm gonna see where I can show you guys head to toe in the best possible way. Yeah, so stay tuned. These J brand boyfriend jeans are amazing. I have to keep these. One, they're priced so fantastically. I'm like backing up carefully so I don't like hit this thing and fall over. So love this shirt. It's so easy to wear. And yeah, you guys, I wanted to do this in front of my full-length mirror in my bathroom, but the lighting is terrible. So I'm keeping it here where you guys can see in front of my studio lights. I love these jeans. They're super comfy. This shirt is great. It's pretty effortless, you know. I'm such a big fan of plaid kind of blouses slash shirts that have like a feminine feel to them, that aren't bulky but look cozy and completely season appropriate. I'm just pairing this with my own little black ankle booties. So that's pretty much what I'm gonna wear for every piece I try on. Let me wear this little bomber jacket. I don't think I've ever tried on a bomber jacket or owned one, so this is kind of fun. It's cute. It's like a little, it's like instead of a cardigan or blazer, like this is a fun way to style your outfit when you want like another layer. Who'd have thought? It's really cute. Pockets, right? We got pockets. So I'm just throwing over this one heathered gray top. That's the dolman sleeve with the it's kind of that wool texture. This is, I feel so incredibly chic in it and comfortable. So I've got the flash dance action going on. It's like you could really just make this so simple, but also you could just really make it more elegant too. So I'm really liking it. It's very pretty. It's very pretty. And it's not itchy. It's wool blend. It's like a fine enough knit. So I like it. You guys, this jumpsuit and jacket combo, well, I don't know if it's any surprise to you. I am so loving this jacket. Please tell me I look really cool. Can I be the cool mom? I'm not a regular mom. I'm a cool mom. You guys. So also, let me just explain this jumpsuit. How fun is it? Sorry, hang on. There we go. This is, I'm new to the whole jumpsuit scene. I did not jump on the jumpsuit bandwagon when it first came out because of the whole like bathroom situation. But this one I think is such a perfect combination of comfort, ease, but elegance. Like you could wear this to work. You could wear it for date night. You could wear it for a holiday party. You can wear it for fun because it's super comfy. There's pockets. The legs are wide and well, anyway, there you go. I'm seeing the praise. This sweater is the most cozy sweater ever. I mean, doesn't it feel like, ooh, look how chic you are, but it feels like you're wearing pajamas, you know? Like, I have to keep this. And then these are the Just Black jeans, and they fit like a glove. A very tight glove. They are high-waisted, so that's great. When you have stretch jeans, you want them tight because they will lose their shape. So, I mean, they're kind of incredible. Yeah, and they go with everything. So this entire box is like an entire, it's like a wardrobe or something, you know, like it's amazing how well it fits together. So I love what they've done. I hope you enjoyed that unboxing from Dailylook. Thank you, Dailylook, for sending those to me. I have to do some serious consideration for what I'm keeping, if not the whole thing. So there is a discount code below. Please, if you consider signing up, use that. Don't miss out on it. And I think this is a great service if you want to try something new. Clearly, they had my palette, my genre, my aesthetic completely nailed. So the questionnaire and sizes all worked out great for what they sent me. So I have complete faith in their ability to match me up with stuff I'm gonna like. So that's exciting. There you go. I will leave everything below. Please, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. If you found me because you were looking for unboxing videos, well, hello. I love doing unboxing videos. I also do a ton of makeup reviews and tutorials and stuff like that. So hang out, stick around for me, and give me a chance. And go ahead and follow me on Instagram too if you'd like, and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Bye.